Aly is always welcoming to other people in the community, to other youth in our programs at school, with wrestling, leading an event at the Teen Center. They're just always able to make people feel welcome. It's rare to see someone Aly's age with that confidence, with those creative ideas, and finding a way to actually make them happen, to create inclusive events for young people that allow them to get out of their shell and meet new people, as well as finding their own strengths within them. They put their heart and soul into creating these inclusive events that everyone feels welcome learning from and being a part of. Knowing that there are people like Aly out there gives me so much hope for our community to grow and flourish and continue to be as welcoming and inclusive as it can be. Aly brings out the best in other people and really sets the standard of what an awesome teen leader looks like.